Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and in today's video I have an invitation for everyone. I am so excited to be this month's co-host for the month of January. It is a new challenge and it will be hosted by my friend Fanny by Creations by Favi. She will have this monthly and I am her first co-host, so I am so thrilled. Thank you, Fanny, for inviting me. And the name of the challenge is called Twine It Out Challenge. So yeah, anyone can participate in this. Even if you don't have a YouTube channel, you can always tag us on Instagram. So I cannot wait to see everyone's creation. And now let's go over the rules. The first one is use twine as the main item. Number 2, there are 2 weeks to complete the challenge. Number 3, participants have to mention both hosts in their video. Number 4, a link to host channel shall be included in the description box as well as the playlist link. Number 5, the project must be a home decor but can be as small or large as you prefer. And finally, the most important rule of all, have fun. So I cannot wait to see everyone's creation and see you Friday, January 22nd at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is it, guys. I know Fanny has been thinking about this challenge for a while already and I'm so excited she is finally doing it. So I really hope you can join us and I cannot wait to see your creations. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already and until next time, bye.